If you're wondering how to upload a custom video to EverWebinar, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make sure your video gets uploaded seamlessly and how to set it up for your next automated webinar. Stay tuned because at the end of the video, I'll share how you can get an exclusive extended free trial for EverWebinar with some awesome bonuses. Let's dive right in. First, after logging into your EverWebinar account, you'll want to go to the Webinars tab in the main menu. This is where you can manage all of your upcoming events. You'll see a list of all the webinars you've already created. Select the one you want to upload your custom video to or create a new webinar if you haven't already. Next thing, once you're in your chosen webinar settings, head to the Video section. This is where you can upload your custom video. Simply click on Upload Video and it will prompt you to choose a video file from your device. EverWebinar supports most video file types, including MP4, so you shouldn't run into any issues with file compatibility. The fourth thing you need to know is about setting up your video. Once uploaded, you'll be able to customize how the video plays during your webinar. You can set a start time for the video, select whether it should loop, and adjust the quality settings for the best playback experience. Don't forget, EverWebinar also allows you to include calls to action and other interactive elements while the video is playing, which can be incredibly useful to drive engagement. Next, let's talk about your video's automated schedule. One of the best features of EverWebinar is that you can automate your webinar to play on a specific date and time, or set it to be available on demand. You'll find these options in a Scheduling tab, which is key to ensuring your video runs smoothly when needed. The sixth thing you need to consider is setting up your video for replay after the live webinar. With EverWebinar, you can enable automatic replays, so your video is available for your attendees to watch at their convenience. This is essential for increasing engagement and ensuring your content gets seen. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, you're ready to save your changes and launch the webinar. Don't forget to test your webinar before going live, just to make sure everything works smoothly. So, to recap, log into EverWebinar, select your webinar, upload your video in the Video section, adjust your settings, and schedule your automated webinar. It's that simple. Finally, as promised, don't forget to check out the first link in the description below. You can get a special, extended free trial of EverWebinar with exclusive bonuses. You don't want to miss this chance to start using this powerful webinar platform today, completely risk-free. That's it for this video. Now you're ready to upload your custom video to EverWebinar like a pro.